Introducing the X90 adjustable air conditioner cage. X for expandable 90 because it can be assembled in less than 90 seconds. Countless hours of research and development have gone into this intelligent design, making it super simple but highly effective. The X90 is adjustable from 32 inches to 46 inches wide and has 3 different height settings: 30 inches in the low setting, 39 inches in the standard setting, and 48 inches in the highest setting. All clearance measurements are calculated using inside dimensions. The centerpiece is how the height adjustment is achieved. Notice how the center is either placed in the standard position, raised to the highest position, or turned over for the lowest possible position. The X90 offers full 5-sided protection and is made from 16-gauge powder-coated steel for durability and a pleasing appearance. The X90 is extremely versatile and can be fastened to a concrete pad or anchored directly in the ground. To fasten to a concrete pad, simply mark out where the cage is to be located, install concrete anchors, and bolt the cage down securely. To prevent an unauthorized person from removing the cage, security fasteners can be used. Keep in mind, not all pads are poured concrete. It is very common for HVAC technicians to install foam pads with a thin concrete shell. This type of pad would crack easily, so installing around the pad into the ground is recommended. To install in the ground, attach concrete anchors through the bottom tabs. Measure and dig 4 holes with post hole diggers and lower the cage into place. These anchors are available at most hardware stores. Add water to ready mix concrete and mix thoroughly. Pour mix into holes, but do not cover the nut with concrete. This will prevent you from removing the cage. Some routine service can be done with the cage installed. However, you must remove the cage completely for major service such as a fan motor or compressor replacement. Contact us today to place your order.